Today will be the 8th day for this Cybersecurity Awareness month. You understand now? And still maybe your online police. I can tell you true. I will tell you what they legit and what you do to protect yourself. Make person no come steal what you no supposed to steal from you. Understand? Carry scatter your life. You understand now? So today I want to tell you about that weapon. Way strong like this, way legit, way if you use to protect yourself. And they call them MFA. Multi-Factor Authentication. Now, what multi-factor authentication come in now? It means say apart from your password, now that extra thing where you get, understand, or where you know where you fit carry protect yourself apart from your password. Now that extra thing now fit be OTP or code where they send give you, or if it be that special app, one special app like that, wey we call authenticator, where they generate code like this, give person. Understand? Or if you be your fingerprint itself. So apart from your password, if you add these things to carry protect any information you get, either for your phone or for your account or for anywhere. You understand now? So even if hacker fit thief your password, hacker thief your password now, you no go fit get access to your information, you no go fit get access to your application. Why? Because you don't put extra thing. That hacker now don't know that extra thing where you put, or you don't get that extra thing where you put. Example now, you get app, you put your password, understand now, don't put your password, and before you enter, you will still need to put your fingerprint. Now even if hacker come steal your password, that hacker now don't get your fingerprint. You see how the thing be now? So you know if you still get access to your account. Imagine I'm like say now bank they get 2 gates now. So that first gate now will be your password, and then the second gate now will be that extra thing where you add to your password, understand? So in the more security you get, the more safe you will be online. So I want make you go to that your Instagram, go to that your WhatsApp, go to that your Facebook, go to that your bank application. That your bank are very important. Where your information there, where your money there, everything there. Understand? Go enable MFA. Go enable MFA. What do you mean? Multi-factor authentication. So that person will steal your password, no will still get access to your account. Now still me, your online police, and you can't be legit now. Do all these things, and you will stay safe online.